Hello everyone and welcome back to another day trading recap. Today was kind of like yesterday. We didn't really get a lot of good opportunities, so I was a little bit more focused on options, and I might come out with an options video a little bit later about getting fills. Plus I had an interesting little phone call with TD Ameritrade, which might be good to cover in that options video that I want to come out with later. So if you're new to the community and you want to stay tuned to some options, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to join us on our journey anyway, definitely consider subscribing. Now let's keep going here to the trading screen and let's see what we got going. So we have BIMI, KZR, and GOVX that I traded. I'm only up 337 today, kind of a smaller day. Gave backs on BIMI a little bit. I'm actually a little up a little bit more as well. I traded my retirement account as well. Just very slightly here. I'm up another 121 in my retirement account, KZR, GGPI, and BIMI. It's actually funny because I'm up on my BIMI exactly what I'm down in my other account. Oh, okay, never mind. And the reason I did this is because I had the opportunity. We were talking about this in yesterday's recap video, and you can make a cash account. You can make your IRA cash account a margin account. Now, the only difference between this margin account is you can't borrow funds. You can't use leverage because the IRS doesn't want your retirement account to go negative. But what you can do is avoid that 48-hour settling period of cash, which basically allows you to day trade your IRA account. Now, it did come with like a little bit of a caveat, and actually let me just show you right away with KZR. Let's actually start with this one, and I'll tell you guys what the problem is. So watch this. Let's say I want to buy 100 shares right now with my IRA account. Boom. Confirm and send. Note, you may enter this opening trade, but if you close it today, you will have done more than 3 day trades in 5 days, and your account will be flagged as a pattern day trader account. For more information, call. Now, I could still keep on trading, but this error message constantly pops up, and it made trading in my IRA account pretty much impossible. Now, I've noticed that my brother, he recently funded an account again that was an old cash account, and he was getting the same error message and it disappeared. So hopefully this error message is going to disappear for me as well. Today, it's just extremely annoying, so I stopped day trading in my IRA account. But I do think it probably will disappear. Otherwise, it's impossible to day trade if that constantly pops up. But another kind of note is I was thinking a lot about, do I want to actually day trade my IRA account? What's the best way to, which one should I day trade in? And ultimately, I should do the strategy that will generate me the most profits long term in my tax savings account. And I was thinking, is that my day trading? Is that my swing trading with options on top of it? And most likely that's going to be my swing trading with options on top, selling covered calls on top of my swing trades. And the reason for that is because I'll probably have this account larger than my day trading account at one point, and that whole account will be fully allocated, while my day trading account is just individual trades, and I only trade those first 2 hours or sometimes 3 hours of the day. So it's a little bit different, I don't think. And at one point, day trading small caps, I'm going to be kind of maxed out at, let's say, $250,000, $500,000. I don't really think I'm going to be taking positions bigger than that, while I'm pretty sure I can grow my account over $1 million, and I want to have that fully allocated. I know these sounds like really lofty goals, but based on our statistics and just throw in enough time, I think we'll get there. Those are some thoughts I've been having. So I'm going to stay with swing trading and options in my IRA account, and then my margin account, my normal margin account, I'll do my day trading in that account. So let's go right into the day trading recap, and we'll just start with KZR because I traded it with both accounts. So this ticker, not the most interesting ticker. Man, everything today was just selling off. It was just so gnarly. There was really nothing that I was like, yes, let's go. We're going to get a nice front side. In terms of on the daily, KZR actually looks quite okay because it's in this kind of consistent uptrend. We also had a bit of a channel that broke out here. So on the daily, it's got a really nice channel breakout. But on the the intraday, it's pretty much just been selling off ever since the extended hours run, and we don't like trading backside. So that's why it was a really kind of tough one to trade. So I made a little bit of profits trading this potential breakout here, and then I took some scratches in my IRA account. In the day trading account, just now I tried to trade this pullback looking for continuation, which didn't work. So I was up a little bit in my retirement and then down in my normal margin account. So let's go back to the IRA and let's talk about GGPI. Did I actually trade this one in my no, I didn't trade this one in the margin. So let's go back to the IRA. GGPI, I don't know, it's kind of like a similar little weasel, just a lot of consolidation, and then pre-market we had a little bit of a move, but it was kind of short-lived. I did take profits really quick here on this breakout, but it did break out a little bit more, but volume-wise and percentage-wise, it was still almost not even worth trading, so this ticker is not too interesting at all. It was also a gapper from Friday and then Monday, and then today we're just stuck in an engulfing candle with lower relative volume, so it wasn't really that interesting, and I don't really feel like it's worth talking about. And then BIMI, we're up 120 on this one, and yeah, we're down on this one on the Roth account. So BIMI, let's quickly go to it. BIMI. Another classic ticker that has been having really good extended hour moves, consolidating, and then pre-market and the market open, it's just been playing really awfully. Not to mention on the daily, this one is a backwards trending ticker with a lot of potential back holders. It's a ticker we've traded before, but I was a little bit not super optimistic if we go over the 180 simple moving average. I actually forgot to draw a line here, but let me just mark this zone. Very big resistance there. And you can see we popped above it very quickly, but we didn't hold our highs. We tried a few more times to get over this zone, but it just did not work, and it's been selling off ever since. So BIMI had opportunity, but we really needed to see it stay above 115, and ever since it failed that last time, it's been selling off, and I'm not super optimistic on this one. KZR we talked about, and then the last ticker, GOVX. Let's quickly go to it. Yeah, this ticker looks awful on the daily as well. Just a few trades on these high relative volume days, but again, it's a bit of a ranging ticker with big resistance at 5 and 6. So knowing 5, that was the zone I was looking at first. The most, I missed this first quick run up here, which is kind of depressing because that was the best move of the day. This was like a 50% rally. It pulls back. I get ready for that continuation. We don't get continuation. I quickly close out. I tried another pullback trade here looking for continuation. That doesn't work. I try here for a breakout. This was a ranging breakout pullback, so this was a bad trade. I probably should have never done it. I think I gave back on it a little bit. And then the market open, I tried a few attempts here for continuation, all of which failed. But I was able to make a little bit of profits. It was pretty scalpy overall though. And then we had a little bit of backside where I did some dip trading, which was also just a bunch of shots in the dark and very small size and no good bounces. So but still, walking away with $480 profit on GOVX is pretty nice because it was just a tough trading day. Plus on GOVX I was trading not really that big size. I don't think I had many trades over $10,000. So the fact that I'm up roughly probably 5% on GOVX is probably relatively okay, especially missing that first big fat leg right here. Maybe we're gonna get some good moves later on the day. I don't know. Yesterday was really bad. Today was really bad. I really hope tomorrow we're going to get a little bit more action. There was some good action with PROG, but I totally snoozed on this one. I think I was too focused on GOVX and GOVX at the open. I wasn't really aware of this one. This one had a really nice red to green move, then runs up 15% right here, even has a healthy pullback, and then breaks to a new high here, 8% move with a 1 minute pullback on a 5 minute breakout. So PROG would have been the one to trade today, but my eyes were focused on different tickers, and somehow I just totally missed all of this move here on PROG. Yeah, kind of unfortunate, is what it is though. All right guys, that's all for this quick little day trading recap. Don't forget to drop any questions below or in the community where more people will have the opportunity to answer them quickly. Don't forget to drop a like on the way out. Easiest way to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you're new, and like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao.